Hello, I'm excited to present Intelliproof, our AI-powered system for argument mapping and analysis. Our mission is simple: to make arguments easier to understand, evaluate, and strengthen. Currently, text-based arguments are difficult to analyze, and the relationships between claims are often unclear. Even though it's possible for humans to evaluate evidence, this process is very time-consuming, and critical thinking about arguments is aided by visual structure. To combat this, Intelliproof uses visual argument graphs via evidence input by the user. This allows for real-time AI analysis, which may be modified and is overseen by the user. We integrated an evidence management system and AI argument mining to create Intelliproof, such that this system is accurate and speeds up argument analysis drastically. Today, I'll walk you through an example focused on the effects of green space in urban environments. Let's start with the basics. Suppose I want to know whether adding green space to urban environments is a good investment for cities. I'll add this to the graph. Then I'll connect it with a supporting value claim. Green spaces generate positive economic outcomes. Using Intelliproof, I can link evidence for this claim, and then the AI scores whether the support is strong or weak based on input evidence and provides a justification. Each claim is given a claim credibility score, classified as supporting or negating based on the evidence, and can be categorized as either factual, a value, or a policy. There are also explanations by the AI for these classifications for each claim in the graph. Now let's talk briefly about our evidence management system. I've uploaded a PDF from the EPA here. Intelliproof scans the document and uses it as supporting evidence for green spaces. I'm able to simply drag this evidence card onto the claim. Instantly, the AI analyzes the evidence. A few seconds after I clicked off of this tab, the argument is now updated with very high confidence and supports the overall argument. If I modify or unlinked the evidence, the claim's credibility score would update in real time, going back to neutral. The system also provides deeper insights. It can generate assumptions which strengthen the argument, but it can also detect fallacies, such as overgeneralizations, and highlight logical gaps where more evidence is needed. Using the AI Copilot, I can ask which claim in this graph is weakest and get a context-aware answer. Finally, Intelliproof can generate a full report summarizing the findings, including evidence quality, logical strengths, and weaknesses. Here's an example of an automatic report generated by Intelliproof. The blacked out names would normally be filled with the user's email address and contact information. The document starts with a table of contents, followed by an executive summary, a summary of scope and objectives, methodology, findings of the arguments, and an analysis, and a conclusion. The report ends with an appendix summarizing the sources used to make the arguments and support them. Going back to the Intelliproof screen, it's clear to visualize the overall structure of the argument. The red and green edges connected to our argument are supported by claims, scored based on attached evidence. This AI-supported system allows users to clearly understand evidence supporting and negating claims, and even gives insights into the strength of arguments themselves. In this short demo, you've seen how Intelliproof takes an argument about green spaces in cities and makes it transparent, evidence-based, and easy to evaluate. By combining visual mapping, AI-powered analysis, and instant reporting, Intelliproof helps users strengthen their arguments quickly and clearly. You can try it yourself at intelliproof.vercel.app. Thank you.